Welcome to the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show 2022. If you're there early, you'll have to queue to get in because the show is very busy and popular. Fantastic, we are here, it's the first hour of the show and everybody's, I think they're enjoying it actually, everybody's up for it. So come with me and I'll show you around a little bit more. We'll move into the second hall. You've just had a quick tour of one of the halls and we'll head through for the rest. So we're off to have a look at Volvo, in particular the Steve Clements Volvo F16, and later on we'll drop in on the Saint, Simon Templar, and have a quick look over his Volvo P1800, or perhaps even three of them. And Volvo also celebrate a 95th birthday this year, but over to the F16 Volvo Globetrotter, manufactured in 1990 from Steve Clements. Wow, this is quite a project. It's a 16 litre 485 brake horsepower machine. There's a 12-speed gearbox on a 6x2 tag axle with S-Ride suspension. Steve bought the Volvo F16 way back in 2010. He's the second owner of the vehicle. It spent the first 20 years of its life with the first owner, a haulier. Steve has stripped down the truck to the chassis rails and completely refurbished the vehicle at no expense to cost. Replacing worn out parts has been a task actually for him, because finding them, most of the parts are discontinued. Alright, it's been a flying visit. Now, ST1 came to our screens in the early 60s in the form of the Saint, Simon Templar, where the TV series aired from 1962 to 1969. But check this out, a brace of Volvo P1800s. Fantastic, what a sight.
Hello everybody, hiya, toot toot, peep peep. Just to remind you, if you like the Simon Templar Volvo, give that the thumbs up, and of course do give the Steve Clements Globetrotter Volvo the thumbs up as well. That's it from Stevo and Gregory Bear, but there's more Practical Classics, Classic Car and Restoration Show on SLR.tv with Stevo and Gregory Bear. Beep beep, toot toot, see ya.